How to find shared notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click this hub here, and now click these three lines and then click settings, and here we'll find notifications. Click on it and scroll down. Here we'll find shared, and here you can manage shared notifications, and you can manage here anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.